Okay, guys, let's talk about NC code verification and let's talk about the partnership we have with Vericut. You know, Philip, first of all, welcome on the stage. We are so glad to have you here.
Thank you, Michael.
Awesome. So we started this partnership actually, more than a decade ago, but the official one started last year in Turkey, but we actually now put it to the next level. And today, Philip and I are going to talk about how we're going to do it, how we utilize this cooperation that we have, and that is the best for the customer they can use. So let's start with something funny, because I do think we all know that something like this should not happen. Yeah.
Top.
Nice. You know, the moment in a machine shop when... Yes, nice. This moment in the machine shop when this happens, the whole machine shop is going to be quiet. Everybody's looking into your direction. Your machine is burning or smoking. So let's have another example, which I think is even more funny.
Oh! What the fuck?
Yeah, sorry for that. But anyway. So why is there a need for NC code verification? SolidCAM as a product is capable of delivering the best NC code for your machine. It doesn't matter how complex. We heard it many times today. Swiss, milling, mill turn, you name it. But the customer at the end, he wants to have the final proof. And the final proof is always NC code verification. And we have more and more people requesting NC code verification. And we actually also thought a couple of years ago if we want to develop by ourselves something like this. But no, we are partnering with the best in NC code verification, which is Vericut. And let me introduce myself. It's easy. Phillip Block is the strategic partner manager of Vericut. And there's also Daniel Magnusson. He's not here today, but he's the vice president of commercial business. And actually, we have a voice message of him. But Philip, I will turn over to you now. Let's see if...
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
And thanks for being here. And first of all, congratulations to 40 years of SolidCAM. That's really a milestone. It will be another 4 years, and then we will turn 40 as well. So you are 4 years ahead of us. So let's hear what Daniel told us. And I'm sad he's not here. He's my boss now. He's back in Sweden, unfortunately, really sick. He was really wishing to come here, so he has a short message for you guys.
Hi everyone, this is Daniel Magnusson, VP of Commercial Business at Vericut. Unfortunately, I'm unable to join you in person today due to illness. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to greet you all and express how excited we are at Vericut to collaborate with SolidCAM. Thank you for your understanding, and I hope you have a great event now.
All right, and before I really start, I need to say thank you as well. Not just thank you for being here again, but also thank you for all the last years we had together with Michael and his team and so many people at SolidCAM, and that's why I'm 100% convinced that this partnership really works. It's proven since many, many years we work excellent together. It's like two big families that work together, and I'm really looking forward to what's happening in the next few years. So, you all know Vericut, but maybe a little bit about our history. I will not go so much into details, but I just said it at the beginning. I mean, we started 88, not 84 like you guys. And basically, we wanted to make the life of the operator a lot easier by testing NC programs virtually. That might not sound too impressive from today's point of view, but it was back then when everything was still done manually. And of course, all this had one purpose: to save time, save money, and make the life of the operator and also the process a lot easier. So, who was our very first customer? Many of you guys would think it must be huge aerospace companies since we are really big in aerospace business. But unfortunately, it's not. It was Kodak back in '88. So now we have 24, and there's something that changed, but our purpose hasn't really changed. And even after 35 years, we are still really proud that we write new chapters every day, like we are doing here in Rosenheim today. And before I show a short video, just one more brief slide about Vericut for the people who may not much know about us. We are the industry leader in NC-code simulation and verification. And basically, we are there when it's getting really complex. And that's why we're here today, too. We have more than 220 people that work daily just with Vericut. That's most people anywhere that only work for NC-code. And more than 35,000 active licenses out there. And all our products are, since '88, developed in-house by us. So now I'm starting with a short video with the interface. Maybe, Michael, you will also have some words to say about it.
So you all know our Vericut interface. It is a seamless connection from SolidCAM. That was loud. Oh, Vericut. This is actually the part we were cutting on the AMB. So even the most complex parts, even the most complex tools, assemblies of tools, whatever you can imagine, there is a way for us to just transfer it to Vericut. And I think this is what the customer wants, right? Easy solution, don't worry about anything. Right-click, send it to Vericut, and they are going to do the simulation. You see complex tools, also multi-tools, you know, and now we are passing it over to Vericut. So go ahead, explain them what it is. Of course, you see our new simulator. Fine machining. Wolfgang will talk tomorrow about the part a lot more. So now there is the Vericut export. All data, run simulation.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you so well from here, Michael, but maybe you just said it, but everything is transferred right into Vericut. So it's really a seamless process. The picture, the stock, the workpiece, tools, everything is transferred right from SolidCAM seamless into Vericut, and then you can just start the simulation right into Vericut. All the tools that you've seen in SolidCAM before, they're in here too now.
Yeah, a lot of pipes simultaneous cutting on this part.
Yeah, and you might notice that part right here.
Yes. Yeah, also, you know, transfer to the next spindle, a very crucial process for our customers. They want to verify that everything is, well, just works. And it's our NC code without any issue. That's what matters, right? By the way, the part is displayed outside. Somebody watch the part live, right outside. It's also laying here. I forgot to bring it on stage.
All right, we are almost at the end now.
So this is what I call a seamless transfer to Vericut.
Yeah, and this is where it's getting exciting now. I mean, you saw it's a really seamless integration. I think that is very important, that all works very seamless. And also together we make sure that you will get the most efficient programs that are out there and also the best support that is out there. And at the beginning in the presentation, I think it was also in Emil's presentation at the beginning, you always stressed out your support and how good your support is. And that's something we experienced also from our side when we heard about the SolidCAM support. And support is really also one of the major topics from us. I mean,
we actually always say the same. There is product and there is support, and this is what counts at the end.
Exactly. And you care about your reputation. We do care about our reputation. And if the support is not going well, I mean, that's what we lose, and we can't do it. And that's why I'm really happy that two companies with such an excellent reputation when it comes to support work together. Yeah. Now about the real deal. What can SolidCAM customers expect from us now in the future? So there is the option to have a unique long-term Vericut test license. That is something we never did with anyone else, so that SolidCAM customers really have the chance to test Vericut. This is a special license bundle, which is only available through SolidCAM. And it's a very simple and also a very fair process. For the long-term test, you only need to purchase a Vericut machine model and also a Vericut training. But when you decide to upgrade to full Vericut, you will completely 100% refund it. So all what you purchased at the beginning, training, machine model, will be credited back to you.
So in summary, let me summarize that. Our customers in the future can
Wrong. Go back.
Sorry. Can test Vericut for free.
Yes.
If they buy a machine and training and everything, they will get refunded after they decide to buy Vericut, right?
Yes.
You understood it? They can test Vericut for free.
And it's not just a 1 or 2 week test, it's really multiple months. So you need to experience the software, you need to be satisfied, you need to make sure that we are not just promising you that our software and our support is good, you really need to experience that. And that's why we said you can test it for many months. This little varies how many months by territory, but it's a long time, and when it comes to details, you can always come back to Michael, myself, or also Daniel, and others who are involved in that.
Yeah, and look, this is what partnerships are all about, right? Combining something to make at the end a better package for the customer, testing it, using it. So that's good for our customer at the end, for Vericut and for us, obviously, as well.
And we just mentioned there is training and machine model, but there's one more thing on top of that. And to make the workflow seamless, of course, we need the interface. That interface is provided by you guys. And it will also come for free when you decide to purchase Vericut afterwards. So it's the machine model that you get back the training, and from SolidCAM side, you will get an interface to work with Vericut 100% for free. And I don't know what's worth it, but I think it's also worth 2,000 euros or something, that interface.
Yes, exactly.
And that's from SolidCAM side. Yeah, so this is really what it comes down to. With Vericut and SolidCAM, you are not just getting a tool, you are getting a partnership that brings you confidence, simplicity, and also value to your machine shop. And that's what it's all about. Bring an extra value, and we can even empower the best CAM system by bringing you an extra value with real NC code simulation. And we are good in time, we're almost at the end. So our promise, we will help you not having any CNC frustrations. We promise to protect your production and also to people make sure that you have a collision-free, error-free, and stress-free process. And together, we promise to deliver CNC service that is really beyond industry expectations. With SolidCAM and Vericut, you will get two products that work seamlessly together and help the customer to achieve their process like they're really expecting it. So let's make it happen together. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much.